Welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We just came back from Whole Foods.
So I got the tuna, salmon, shrimp, and rice.
Ready to make rice.
Yes.
We have this ready-made sushi rice. We have some shrimp. We have yellowfin tuna, and we also have this Atlantic salmon. And it's all from Whole Foods,
Yes.
these food items. You want to open it, some of it
Sure.
up and show everybody
First
what we have?
Let's do the rice. So they say cut open vacuum package and leave out 5 minutes. Remove the rice seed from package and peel off paper cover with plastic wrap. Leave out for 15 to 20 minutes while you prepare your ingredients. So let me open this one.
Okay. It looks like they're already formed in like sheets.
Yeah, it looks like a.
And you just basically put this on top of the seaweed. Two sheets right here.
Looks like a 2 or 3. Then open package. The vacuum package, right? This is vacuum package. Yeah, 3 seats in it.
3 sheets, okay. So you can make 3
Yeah.
sheets.
So, yeah. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3 like that. Wow.
So leave it out for what, 15 minutes or saying?
Leave out 5 minutes for this part and leave out for 15 to 20 minutes for. Okay, so let's wait to 15 minutes. But
Okay.
like this. Okay, let's move to the fish ingredients. I have here's a ikijime shrimp, fully cooked, butterfly open.
Okay. What does it mean by ikijime?
Ikijime is when they actually live shrimp to killing the process.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah, this is already open now.
Okay.
So ready to use
Nice.
to put in the rice.
Okay.
Like that. Next one is just salmon.
This is farm-raised
Yeah.
salmon. It is from, it's Atlantic, but look, turn around the box here. What does it say? Let me show everybody what that says. It says from Scotland. You also have from for the Faroe Islands, Norway, and Iceland. If you see here, responsibility, this is actually sustainable salmon. It's farm-raised, and nothing wrong with that. You won't get any parasites at all if you have farm-raised salmon, which is the best part. If you have wild salmon, yes, it's great, but it's for cooking because wild salmon has parasites in it. Okay, Hiro, how does the salmon look to you?
Yeah. Something.
Looks pretty good.
That's pretty good. Like this.
Looks good to me, right? No skin on that? Okay. And the last one here is the
The
yellowfin tuna.
tuna.
Okay. All right. Thaw under refrigeration. That's very, very important. Okay.
Unfortunately, color is not so good. I mean, that's not good. Color is
Yeah,
not
usually
good.
tuna, you want it to be that red color, like a deep red. Not a bright red, but a deep red. This is kind of a brownish, reddish color, which you can tell the age. So obviously it's sold by Whole Foods. It's got to be good. We'll have to give it a try and see. Yeah, this is like a brownish color. So we're gonna try to make sushi. Well, not me. Hiro, you're going to try to make sushi with this ready-to-use rice, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And he was just showing it to me. Actually, it's very... they say leave it out for 15 minutes. It's really kind of dry.
Yeah, it's kind of dry and then kind of rubbery.
Yeah, exactly. That's a great way to describe it.
You can see the grain.
Mm-hmm.
So anyway, let's make a roll.
Okay,
With
let's
this
make a
one.
roll with
Try.
this one.
What harder things do I know? So I'm gonna do rice outside roll.
Okay,
Straight.
inside out.
Yeah, inside out.
Okay, well, just try both, Hiro.
Yeah, I'm gonna do like that.
Okay.
And then actually put the seaweed on here. Right?
Okay.
Now let me put out this one outside. I got a little more space. Okay, so actually,
Let's use the tuna because if not, we're not going to use it for anything. What do you think?
it's yeah,
We won't have a tasting part really. It doesn't even stick, right?
it'll stick.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's okay. Like that. And then
Maybe
put
they were
down
meant to use it
avocados.
like seaweed on the outside, Hiro. What do you think?
Yeah, well, we can try it, both.
Mm-hmm.
And which one we're gonna
Let's do
use?
tuna.
Tuna.
Yeah.
It's not really edible.
Yeah, colors. I mean, we talked about this earlier. It's
Yeah.
color isn't really good at all. It's supposed to be more of a red. This is more of a brownish color. But it's okay. Everything here we did purchase from Whole Foods, including the avocado.
Okay.
Wow.
No.
You see how the rice is broke apart like that?
Little bit.
Okay. So that's an epic fail.
Right.
All right, let's try, Hiro. What about doing seaweed in the outside?
Seaweed on the outside, right? So
Let's
I
see if
wanna
that's
keep
going to be
this
able to
in
hold.
here. Okay, seaweed outside. I have to first. I need to cut the size. Must be equal, you know.
Yeah.
Actually, seaweed outside is a little bit need the holding parts, so I'm gonna cut a little bit bigger than rice.
Okay.
And then go to with the tuna.
Yeah, let's put on tuna in.
Okay, let's go. It doesn't enough the moisture, so
Yeah.
the seaweed is not really sticking well.
You see the rice coming out the sides of it too.
Mm. Usually, rice got more like a moisture
Mm-hmm.
to make a seaweed, like how they call, kind of, that's not called soggy, but steaming makes a seaweed more easy
Yeah,
to stick
shrinks
on the
to it,
rice,
like-
like a shrink kind of
Yeah.
stuff. But this doesn't. So
Tasting, Hiro.
tasty.
With the tuna.
I think even I cannot cut this one. once I cut, everything gonna be broken.
Let's see. If anyone can cut, only you can cut. Easy, see here? You did it. Seems it's kind of hard. The knife just glides right through it.
This
No moisture at all.
Stay.
Yeah, so good luck, people at home. If you best is just to make your own rice. You can still buy the salmon and the shrimp from Whole Foods. Tuna, we don't recommend it. Just the color in this package didn't look that good at all. That's your final result.
Not so
Yeah.
good.
Kind of a mess. Okay, Hiro, don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice and very dry.
Okay, don't move it yet. I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Okay.
So, Hiro, no tasting part?
No tasting that.
Not today, huh? If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know how your sushi turned out if you bought the stuff from Publix, Whole Foods, or another supermarket. And obviously, the problem here was the rice. Everything else is fine except for the tuna as well. Okay, Hiro, thank you.
Right. See you next time.
Bye bye.